welcome back to the channel. Every autumn across California's Central Valley, a silent harvest begins. In just a few weeks, machines and workers will collect hundreds of thousands of tons of walnuts, turning quiet orchards into one of the most efficient nut-producing systems on Earth. With more than 400,000 acres under cultivation, an annual output exceeding 680,000 tons, California alone supplies a major share of the world's walnut demand. But behind every crunchy kernel is a process that takes years, not months. A system built on patience, precise timing, and a careful balance between nature and machinery. Today, we step inside that system to see how farmers grow, harvest, and prepare thousands of tons of walnuts for the global market. Walnut farming begins long before the first tree is planted. Farmers start by selecting deep, fertile soils, with excellent drainage critical for trees that may remain productive for 30 to 50 years. Fields are carefully leveled to ensure uniform irrigation and smooth movement of heavy machinery during harvest. Before planting, the soil is tested for nutrient balance and pH. Organic matter is incorporated to improve structure and water retention. Every decision at this stage is long-term. Mistakes made here can affect yields for decades. Walnut production begins long before trees enter the orchard, starting with careful seedling preparation. Most commercial walnut farms use grafted seedlings, combining strong rootstocks with high-yield walnut varieties. In nurseries, young trees are grown for 1 to 2 years under controlled conditions, where root development, trunk strength, and disease resistance are closely monitored. Only uniform, healthy seedlings with well-formed root systems are selected for planting. Once the young trees develop strong root systems, they are transplanted into orchards in straight, evenly spaced rows. Wide spacing allows future canopy expansion and ensures efficient machine access. During the first few years, growth is slow and fragile. Farmers focus on root establishment, trunk strength, and early canopy shaping. Irrigation must be consistent but not excessive, and young trees are protected from pests, wind stress, and disease. These early seasons are an investment phase, no harvest yet, only preparation. As walnut trees mature, management becomes increasingly technical. Modern orchards rely on micro-sprinkler or drip irrigation systems, delivering water directly to the root zone while minimizing waste. Pruning is performed annually to control canopy height and density. By opening the tree structure, farmers allow sunlight and airflow to reach the fruiting zones, reducing disease pressure and improving nut quality. A well-managed canopy is also essential for efficient mechanical harvesting later in the season. In spring, walnut trees enter their reproductive stage. Male and female flowers develop separately, making timing and environmental conditions crucial for successful pollination. Once pollinated, the nuts begin forming inside a green outer hull. Through summer, farmers monitor tree health, nutrient uptake, and pest activity. The goal is uniform nut development, consistent size, strong shells, and high kernel quality across the orchard. By early fall, the signal is clear. The green hull begins to split, naturally exposing the hard shell beneath. This moment defines the harvest window. When harvest season begins, walnut orchards switch to mechanized harvesting to handle large volumes efficiently. The core machine is the tree shaker, which clamps onto the trunk or major branches and applies controlled vibrations for just 5 to 10 seconds. This force is carefully calibrated to release ripe walnuts without damaging the tree or knocking down immature nuts. Once the walnuts fall, mechanical sweepers and blowers move through the orchard, gathering the nuts into clean rows. Specialized harvesters then lift the walnuts using rotating brushes and conveyor systems, transferring them directly into large bins or trailers. This system allows farmers to harvest hundreds of trees per day, reducing labor needs and limiting the time walnuts stay on the ground. More than speed, mechanized harvesting protects tree health, minimizes losses, and preserves quality before the nuts enter the processing stage. Freshly harvested walnuts are quickly loaded into large bins and transported to nearby processing facilities. Speed matters. Reducing time between orchard and processing helps control moisture and prevent spoilage. During peak harvest, transport runs continuously, day and night. At the facility, walnuts undergo a multi-stage cleaning process. Screens remove dirt and debris, followed by high-pressure washing systems that clean every surface. Next comes drying. Walnuts enter controlled chambers, where temperature, airflow, and humidity are carefully managed. Proper drying extends shelf life and protects flavor. Automated systems then sort nuts by size and weight, while trained workers conduct manual inspections to remove defective kernels that machines may miss. Once grated, walnuts are packaged according to market needs: bulk containers for processors or vacuum-sealed retail packs for consumers. Each package is labeled and tracked for traceability. Products are stored under controlled conditions and shipped through a temperature-managed logistics network. From California, walnuts travel to Asia, Europe, and the Middle East, reaching consumers months after harvest without losing quality. Behind this highly mechanized system are people making critical decisions every day. Orchard managers plan years ahead. Equipment operators fine-tune machines by feel and experience. Quality inspectors rely on trained eyes and steady hands. Technology drives efficiency, but human judgment remains the backbone of the system. From soil preparation to global export, walnut farming is a long game, one built on discipline, timing, and trust in both machines and people. Each walnut carries the result of years of care and a harvest system designed for scale without sacrificing quality. Thanks for joining us on this journey from orchard to market. Subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the hidden systems behind the foods we consume every day.